and welcome back to English with Kaylee. In today's class we are learning lesson 4 of our free English course. So in today's lesson you are going to learn the numbers 1 to 20, learn ways to say goodbye and the days of the week. So quite a long lesson today, so make sure you've got your pen, you've got your notebook, and let's get started. So first of all, we're going to learn the numbers 1 to 20. So first of all, just listen to me saying the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Listen again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to say it a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's learn 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Listen again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm going to say it a little bit faster. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. For these numbers, 16 to 19, these ones are slightly easier to remember because you have this number, 6, 16, 7, 17, 8, 18, and 9, 19. So that should make it a little bit easier to learn those 4 numbers. Okay, now that we know how to pronounce the numbers, let's make sure we know how to. Okay then everyone, let's try an exercise. So here you can see the written words, and some numbers are missing their written counterpart. We have 12, 20. You can see here I've underlined the stressed syllable as I did in lesson 3. 20, so twin is the strong syllable. 11, 11, 3, 3, 18, 18. So 18, it's the last syllable that is the stressed syllable. 5, 15, 7. Okay, so there are a number of words that are missing from the numbers. Can you write the word next to the correct number? I'm going to give you 2 minutes to do this exercise, so a little bit faster this time. Okay, so let's go through the answers. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, and what was the next one? Excellent, 5. So because this has one sound, it has one syllable. So no stressed syllable in this word. Good. 5. 6. What comes after 6? Excellent. 7. So don't forget, it's the first syllable which is stressed. 7. Good job. 8, 9, 10. What comes after the number 10? Good. 11. Excellent. Don't forget, it's the second syllable which is stressed. 11. There are 3 syllables and the second syllable is stressed. Well done. What comes after 11? Good. 12. Now don't forget, 12 is one syllable, so no stressed or unstressed syllable in that word. 13, 14. What comes after 14? Good. 15. Excellent. Well done. 16, 17. So you can see here, teen is always the stressed syllable. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And what comes after 17? Good. 18, 19. And then the last one should be great. 20. Well done. Excellent. Okay, so now we're going to try a very quick quiz. I'm going to put a number on the screen and I want you just to say the number out loud. You will have 5 seconds. 5 seconds to say the number out loud. Are you ready? Here we go. What number is it? Good, well done. 6. Let's try another one. What number is it? Good job. 14. Excellent. Let's try another one. What number is it? Good. Number 12. Well done. Let's try another one. What number is it? Excellent. Number 7. Perfect. Well done. 7. Good job. What number is it? That's right, it's 19. Excellent. Let's try another one, an easy one this time. What number is it? Good, number 10. Excellent, number 10. How many did you get right? You can comment below how many did you get correct.